Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a beautiful hexagonal motif which is titled Brynwood Hexagon. First we form a circular figure or a circular crocheted piece, and then this gets converted in the last round with the DCs as an hexagon. So it will come under the convertible crochet techniques. For making this particular motif, I used my Alaska Blue Aran yarn, which is 100% premium acrylic anti-pill, and its color code is 2005, and I've used 19 grams of this yarn to make this, and it's a 8.5 inch hexagon. Whichever way you see, it is 8.5. And I used a special acrylic crochet hook by Hobby Store. So let's go into the video without much delay, friends. I shall take you through the stitches that are placed in this particular motif. Make a adjustable ring. Okay, that is nothing but magic circle. And into this ring you need to make 4 sets of 3 DC clusters, else you can chain 2. This is not first, this is a locking one. You can chain 2 and you can make so this is the first cluster. So chain 2 is considered as the first incomplete DC, and these two incomplete DCs to make a 3 DC cluster. Chain 4, three DC cluster again. After the chain, it is little dicey to work stitches. This gets looser. You see. Hold it. Chain 4 again. So we need to have 4 3 DC clusters and 4 chain 4 spaces, but don't finish off the last chain 4. I shall tell you how to go about it. Make 2 more sets. I shall get back after making 2 more sets. I have completed my 4th cluster. Now pull the centering tight, chain 1 and make a DC on top of the 2 DC cluster that we made here. Okay. Now around this post of this DC that we made, make 4 single crochets. You can chain 1 and then make 4 single crochets. Chain 1 is not considered as a stitch. And in every other chain space, 1 2 3, you make 6 single crochets. Place 6 single crochets. I shall place 6 single crochets in the next 3 chain 4 spaces, each of these 3 chain 4 spaces, and get back. I've placed my last 6 SCs in the last chain 4 space, and in the first chain 4 space we need to place 2 single crochets to complete the 6 single crochet sets, and then slip stitch and join to the very first single crochet that we made. You may chain 3 or make a DC. I'm going to chain 3. Chain 3 is considered as first double crochet, and 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 single crochets. God, my grip is little loose, so it slips. I don't hold the hook very tightly. Skip 1, chain 5, skip 1 single crochet and place 3 single crochets in each of the next 3 single crochets. Again 5 chains, skip 1, 3 single crochets, 5 chains, skip 1, 3 single crochets, continue all around. I shall also complete and get back. I have placed my last set of 3 DCs here. Now instead of chaining 5, chain 2 and place a DC on the third chain of the turning chain. 1, 2, so we need to place a double crochet here. We need to put it inside both the loops. Yes. Now chain 1 and place 5 single crochets under the post of this DC made. Now skip this first 3 chains and place a double crochet in the next DC, that is the middle DC of the 3 DC group. Again place 9 single crochets in the chain 5 space. Here also we are placing the single crochet on top of the DC. So my 9 single crochets are done under the chain 5 space. Skip the next DC and place a single crochet in the middle DC and continue this all around. I shall tell you when we come to the first loop that we started with. Come to the last leg here. I have made my single crochet in the middle DC. Now I need to make 4 single crochets in the first chain space. Slip stitch to the first single crochet, do not turn. Now here you need to make chain 6, which is counted as double crochet and chain 3. One, two, three, 4, 5 and 6. Now double crochet in the same stitch here, that same SC. Now chain 4, we are going to make double treble together on this single crochet, that is a middle single crochet of this arch and the middle single crochet of the next arch. So yarn over 3 times, pull up the loop from the SC, yarn over, pull through 2 one time, yarn over, pull through 2 second time, yarn over, pull through 2 third time, and now again yarn over thrice and go to the 5th single crochet of the next arch. 1 2 3 4 5. This is the middle single crochet. One time, 2 time, 3 third time, and pull through all of them. Now chain 4, make a double crochet in the same single crochet where you did the double treble together, chain 3, double crochet in the same single crochet, again chain 4, 2 double trebles together over the SC where you worked your last DC and the middle SC of the next arch, and chain 4 DC, chain 3 DC. Continue this pattern all around. I shall meet you where I began. I've placed my last double treble together here. Now chain 4, slip stitch to the 3rd chain of the 6th chain that we did. So 1 2 3 here. I'm trying to take it under both the loops. Just a minute. Yeah. Now chain 1. Chain 1 does not count as a stitch. Place 5 single crochets under this chain 3 space. I take yarn under the hook so it slips very often. Five single crochets here, and in the next chain 4 space make 4 single crochets. Place a single crochet on 2 double treble together on the stitch. Again we have come to chain 4 space. Place 4 single crochets under the chain 4 space. Now we have come to chain 3 space here between the 2 double crochets. Here we place 5 single crochets, and in the next chain for 4 single crochets, single crochet on the 2 double treble together, 4 single crochets in the chain 4 space. Continue all around. I shall complete and get back. I've placed my last 4 single crochets. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet we began with. Chain 3, which is considered as, for the next round, chain 3 which is considered as 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in the next single crochet, and in the next single crochet we are going to place 3 double crochets. This is the third of the 5 single crochets we did here, or the middle of the middle single crochet of the 5 single crochets that we did. So in this we are going to make 3 double crochets, which is the first corner that we are making now. So now this particular piece, which looks like a circle, it's going to be converted into an hexagon once we complete this DC round. Okay, and next you place 1 double crochet each on each of the next 13 single crochets here. So the logic is very simple. Place 1 single crochet each on each of the single crochets till you reach the third single crochet of the 5 single crochet group that you did. In that stitch you have to make 3 double crochets. Okay, so if you're not sure, you can place a stitch marker. I shall place the stitch markers and come back. I have placed the stitch markers where I need to place the corner double crochets, that is 3 double crochets in the same stitch. So your work goes faster because you need not count now. Otherwise you'll have to count 13 DCs, then place the corner stitch. So now you continue placing 1 double crochet each on each of the single crochets of the previous round till you get to the stitch marker. Continue placing 1 double crochet each on each of the single crochets till you reach the stitch marker. So the number of double crochets between the first corner and the second corner will be 13. Oh God. Now remove the stitch marker and place 3 double crochets all in the same stitch. Here you have the choice of making 2 double crochets, chain 3, 2 double crochets also. And now continue the stitch repeat all around. I shall also complete and get back. I have placed my last 11 DCs here because we started with two double crochets, 1 on each, and then we did the corner, and see a beautiful hexagon has been created from a circular motif. Now you can slip stitch to the third chain of the 3 chain 1 2 3 and complete the hexagon motif. You can do this traditional method or you can do the invisible method, whichever way you prefer you can do it. So I'm going to place a stitch marker here. Okay, here we go. We have completed this Brynwood hexagon motif. Thank you friends for watching this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel. Please click on the like button. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Thank you friends for watching this video. Have a great day. Bye for now.